Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is dive into the scavenger hunt for the midnight airdrop. So we've done a few tutorials on this. So phase 1 has already been completed. So guys, comment down below if you've already participated in phase 1. So this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial how to participate in the scavenger hunt. Okay, so this is phase 2. If you guys want to check out previous videos, specifically on a Lace wallet, guys, go in here under videos and type in Lace or type in midnight. Put in whatever you want and also put in hashtag midnight moose. So we have tons of videos on midnight, and going forward, I'm going to be doing more. So this is going to be your tutorial hub. So guys, let's dive right into it. First things first, use the link tree. So we have the link tree, which is this kind of page of links. And this is going to help guide you throughout this channel, this whole journey. So of course, you can buy a hardware wallet. You can enroll in an online course. We have the free Cardano mini course. But we also have links for you. So I added the Lace link. So the first step in this tutorial is to set up a Lace wallet. So if you have never done that before, you want to go to the channel, type in Lace, and watch this video. So Lace wallet tutorial 2025 seems like it's helped out a few of you. So definitely do that first. That is the first step. Okay, so you could set up Lace or Yoroi, but for the most part, you kind of want to use a Lace for this. Okay, so the next step, you want to go to the Midnight website. So it's midnight.network. Again, use the link tree. It will take you to this website. And what you're going to do is just go to the top right, claim portal. Okay, so we have already done the glacier drop. So that's phase 1. That's claim phase 1, glacier drop. So that is done. It was a snapshot that was taken. We are talking about the scavenger mine. It's live right now. It was live just a little bit ago. So I did a video on top hardware wallets. This is the next one for today. So all you're going to do is go to claim now. There are instructions, but I'm going to answer that for you. But one thing to keep in mind is that anybody can participate. So I believe all you need is a laptop, desktop, and a Cardano wallet. So hit on claim now. Okay. So you're going to see this page and you can watch a video. So here you have 20 days. Get on this immediately. It starts technically October 30th. So you have 20 days, 23 hours. So you're going to have like 20 hours by the time this video comes out to get things situated. So go to get started. Okay. And here you want to choose a destination address. That just means a destination wallet where your tokens can get sent to, if you will. Okay. So we're going to, after we set up a Lace wallet, do that first. So if I go to the top right, we can see our Lace wallet. So here I have a little bit of ADA, a little bit of Kopi. This is a hot wallet. So if you want, you can use this, I believe, with a Trezor, but I'm not going to use that wallet. We're going to go with the hot wallet. So I do have other wallets here, like my Trezor, but let's do this account. So now we're going to go to Lace. You can do Yoroi. Looks like you have more options than last time. Okay, so Lace, continue. Hit next. And then we're going to read this. We're not going to read that. Moose is loose. Accept and sign. So we're going to sign. And we're just going to hit confirm. Put in a little moose code. I'm going to write this in Morse code. Moose code. There we go. So there we go. So we have our wallet connected. And we can begin this cryptic challenge. So I have not done this. This is new to me. Moose is getting loose live with you guys right here. So let's open this up a bit, make it full screen, start session. Okay, so current challenge. And I believe you just kind of set your computer and it does tasks for you. Okay, so view submitted solution. So it looks like the screen looks good here. Next challenge in 10 minutes. So maybe I will speed up this video. I will let you know. But it looks like we solved something. The moose has solved something. I did nothing. I hit a button. But guys, comment down below. How many cryptographic challenges have you solved? Like, the moose is mining crypto right now. I don't know what we're doing. But guys, we're having fun. Hopefully you're enjoying this tutorial. It's very simple. The main thing is just make sure that you set up a Lace wallet. It's just going to be the easiest. Write down, your seed phrase, get that going. In the meantime as well, guys, check out the other videos. I mean, I cannot promote this much more than that. So I did add the free Cardano mini course here. So if you guys are interested, I have a free course. Go under the courses. You can watch the 60-minute Cardano course. So that is free for you. I believe there's a link to the workbook as well. So that's to help you. In there, I help you guys set up a Lace wallet. Okay. So we do that NFTs. I teach you about how to buy, send, receive, the basics. But that's my gift to all of you. It's free. I don't even upsell you on that. Okay. So I'm wondering if the computer is going to get slow at all because we are mining. So let's see. So we have a little bit of... So the Moose found a solution. Moose did nothing, dude. So, dude, my share is going to be good. And guys, by the way, there's a lot of opportunities to get more tokens. So let's read some of this. So while this is going, we're not going to export. So we have 8 more minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes. Okay, so while you do this, you can just kind of set timers, right? Use your voice. There we go. So when that goes off, I'll come back to it. But really cool. So I believe every 10 minutes for a day, we can solve different challenges. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. So let's go up. Challenge 1 out of 504. I'm going to do as many as possible. So right now, I think the baseball game's going on. But again, guys, it comes down to like priorities and what you're doing here. So just go under here. So solve cryptographic challenges. So cryptographic challenges are the computing tasks performed by your computer/device during Scavenger mine. How do I find solutions? You only need to start the Scavenger mine session. Leave your device or browser running. So here we could look at more. So we have a bunch of stuff here. We're not going to read all of it. Solutions are mathematical proofs that satisfy the requirements set out. So basically, it's just going to satisfy and make sure and keep documented that you are doing these things, right? So really cool. I mean, very simple. Guys, also, if you do go to this link tree, under new projects, do I have it up there? Yeah, under new projects, there is this project called Dinet, and it's a project that I've been mining similar to what we're doing right now. And there's opportunity to get in early on something cheap. So that's one option. There's also BDAG, but that's just one that I like. So here you guys can see a lot is going on with Midnight. You have Kraken and Gate centralized exchanges will support Midnight Glacier Drop. So guys, this is great. So users that are holding ADA, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BAT, XRP, AVAX, BNB, I guess you're going to receive your Midnight. So that is fantastic. So shout out to those exchanges. They didn't have to do that. They could totally rip everybody off. So that is awesome. So it looks like we're getting a little bit of the shares. Moose wants 10% of all the Midnight. That's what I want. 10%, man. And I could take over all of Canada. I could run for Prime Minister Moose. And what would I do? What would I even do? You guys comment down below. What should Prime Minister Moose do? Should he take all of Canada's capital and set up mining rigs? Like, what should we do? Right? Or should I just build different outdoor hockey events? I don't know. Let me know. Maybe I can make the Leafs great again. Who knows? So it looks like we're at 5 minutes left. So what I'm going to do is speed up the video, and we'll see you guys in 5 minutes, and I'll let you know kind of where we're at. So it looks like to me there's going to be challenges for the computers to solve, and you just have to kind of let it run. Okay, so the miner status is still active. And by the way, guys, I closed a couple of my tabs. So if your computer is slugging at all, I recommend, regardless, closing all other applications. So I don't know if this is leveraging more of the graphics cards or the random access memory, the RAM. So close all your tabs. Just let this thing kind of plug away. So it looks like there's not much you have to do. Once you get going, you could probably just leave it running for a while. So it looks like the next task is going to begin in around an hour. So 57 minutes. So we're going to leave this, let it do its thing. All right, guys. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope this tutorial helped you. Guys, hit up the link tree, begin the scavenger mine, and comment down below how loose are you getting on these tokens. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.